Okay, here is 9122 Balcones Club. Over there is the garage. I'll take you to that last, but this is the unit. Walking on in. Beautiful mirrored window door. Plantation shutters throughout, even on the little window by the door. You have the barrel ceiling foyer. You come in, here's immediately on your right is the bedroom. The unit has massive ceiling throughout, plantation shutters on every window, so very private. This ceiling is, got my laser measure, we'll measure it for you. 17 feet. Here's the closet. Nice, good. You got some shelves there. Both bedrooms are very large. I would say that this is probably, oh, well, let's just measure it. 13 feet by 13 feet, 0.16 by 13 feet. So I was gonna say 13 by 14, but I was pretty close based on my naked eye. All right, so you have the tray ceiling in the dining. You could change this light fixture and use it for something else if you were not digging the dining room, but it's a very open floor plan, tons of cabinetry and shelving. Over here is a desk area. So double your office. Here's the guest bathroom. And you got some nice cabinetry here. Tons of cabinetry throughout this place. Travertine. Spotless clean. You got your vanity. So then we go over to the kitchen. Huge kitchen with a very dramatic barrel ceiling with cove lighting. I'll show you that. Boom. Wow. So romantic. Okay, so you have the nice granite counters, granite sink, stainless steel appliances. The refrigerator does convey and come with it. All been cleaned. It's only electric. There is no gas at the property. The microwave is brand new, never been used, still has the film on it for the buyer to peel off, but brand new microwave. Nice induction controller thing. Oops. So you have under cove lighting or under cabinet lighting. I'm misspeaking all over the place today. Pantry. Got some extra filters up there. You do have cabinets. Those do not have lights in them at the top glass. Somebody had asked that. You got stone on the back of the island. This is the living room. The ceilings in here are, I think, 10 feet. Yeah, just under 10 feet, 9.98. Then you get like 0.2 for the flooring, so 10 feet ceilings. Very nice. Your TV can go in there. It's actually very large. I'll open it for you so you can see. So you could fit, I mean, geez. All right, let's just measure it. I don't want to quote things when I got this thing in me. All right, that is 4 feet wide. So I don't know, what is it? 46 inch. Well, I don't know what the TVs are. Anyways, plantation shutters on the back. Both of these doors do open. They're 8-foot high doors. Super nice when you open them up. Here's the laundry room. Got some cabinets in here. There is no shortage of cabinets in this place. This is the primary bedroom. Super high ceilings. They are, I think, a little bit taller. 17.5 feet. Beautiful, soaring high ceilings give a nice dramatic effect. This is the only room in the house with carpet. The master or primary closet, super big. This is a 12.5 foot closet with 3 racks up top. So very large closet, more than enough rack space. That is the attic access. The ceilings up there are huge. So there's a lot of storage area up there if you wanted to store your stuff. But here is this angle, primary bathroom. Again, you got more cabinets and vanities, or granite. You got a jetted tub, nice and clean. Here's your toilet area, more cabinets. And here is the shower. It was just steam cleaned, so it's a very spacious shower. Shower fixture is over there, and I'm all the way over here. So, and you got a little seat there. So it's a very spacious shower area. Okay, glass all steamed and cleaned. All right, let's look at the backyard and the storage unit. Oh, wait. Where's the, oh, the key is in my pocket. All right, let's go. Oh, this is a what? Oh, hold on, it's under my, oh, it was already unlocked. Sorry, I accidentally turned it off. While I was trying to unlock the door. Put it under my elbow. So all these leaves will be gone. The HOA covers all of the landscaping and stuff like that. HOA also covers water, trash, sewer, landscaping, exterior insurance, common area maintenance. So this is a very spacious patio. Let me measure it for you. As long as we're on that kick. 15 and over 15.5 foot patio. You do have the wood slats, very nice on the ceiling. The way that these units are shaped, they just replaced this fence. It's not even in my pictures that I took a couple weeks ago. So that is just gone in. It looks beautiful. But the way that these patios are shaped, this will be power washed off, by the way. The gutter's a little clogged. But the way that these are shaped is kind of they come out so you can't really even see your neighbor. So there are no fences on the side. It's all open. But you have to come out pretty far to see where your neighbor, to like even see where their patio is, you know? So it's quite private. This is an end unit, which is great. So you only have one shared wall, which is that garage kitchen